We are gonna learn how to make this beautiful pink aesthetic.
Hey, all the art enthusiasts over there, how you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, this is my first YouTube video, and I really hope that you all will like it. And if you guys like my tutorials, the easy tricks and techniques I use for my artworks, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.
Put on the masking tape. I am using a watercolor paper of 300 GSM. You can also use a 400 GSM watercolor paper. We'll first start drawing a pink colored aesthetic house. We are almost done with the house, and now we are with the ladders. Our drawing is completely done now, and I painted the background of the house with pink color. I mixed some red and some white to make the pink color and did the background of the house with pink. Be very careful while painting the middle of the stairs. Try not to overlap the pink paint over the stairs. We are painting the window panes of the house with some brown mixed with yellow ochre. Use some light shades of green on the window pane to give it a realistic look. We will be using the same yellow ochre and brown paint we used earlier with some shades of white to paint the ladder. Now that ladder has been completed, now let's fix some flaws. We will be painting the steps of the ladders with light shades of green to give it an aesthetic and realistic look. Using some red to the previous pink we used, we are gonna make the shadow of the ladder. more white with the yellow ochre paint we made, now we'll be painting the paint cracks on the wall. Take some brown paint and make tiny dots on the flat wall paint. Take some white paint and add on some effects on the surface. I added some green patches too to give it a mossy appearance. Add some white paint and some black paint to give it a greyish look. I have painted the bottom edges of the house with black and smudged the paint with the pink paint of the wall. Putting some blackish yellow ochre paint over the edges to give it an aesthetic yet older look. Adding some brown to the ground in front of the house. with a lighter shade of blue to paint the sky. If you do not have a lighter shade of blue available with you, then you can use some white with baby blue to make it lighter. Now we'll be making the clouds with the help of a round brush by tapping white paint on the sky. Repeat the same techniques with the bowl and the trolley and your masterpiece will be ready. The final work looks like this.
So yes, your masterpiece is now completely ready, and I hope you really enjoyed the tutorial and understood every trick and technique that I use for my artworks to become so clear and beautiful. So if you liked it, do share, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates as such. Thank you. See you in the next video.